Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you? I hope you are happy and safe. Our lesson today is divide with 0 and 1. In the last lesson, we have learned about multiplication with 0 and 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn what rules we can use when we divide with 0 or 1. So let's start with example number 1. There are 3 friends and only one beanbag chair, just like this one. These are the 3 friends. They are so pretty, right? How many friends will be on the beanbag chair? What do you think in grade 3? We have 3 friends and only one beanbag. And the question is, how many friends will be on the beanbag chair? We have here to use division. So 3 friends divided by 1 chair equals what? Use X's to draw the friends on the chair. Since we have 3 friends and only 1 chair, so 3 friends will sit on this chair. So 3 divided by 1 equals 3. So there will be 3 friends on the beanbag chair. So the first rule in this lesson is when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is that number. Just like when we multiply by 1, we get that number. The same in the division sentence, when we divide by 1, the quotient is that number. So 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 5 divided by 1 equals 5. 10 divided by 1 equals 10. And even 1000 divided by 1 equals 1000. It's very simple, right? Now let's solve example number 2. There are 3 friends and 3 beanbag chairs. Interesting. Now we have more beanbag chairs. How many friends will be on each beanbag chair? Find 3 divided by 3. What do you think in grade 3? If we have 3 chairs and 3 friends, how many friends will be on each beanbag chair? Use X's to equally partition the friends on the chairs. This is friend number 1, friend number 2, and friend number 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 friend for each beanbag chair. So there will be 1 friend on each beanbag chair. That means when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. So interesting. That means also 9 by 9 equals 1. 20 divided by 20 equals 1. 100 by 100 simply equals 1. So again, the second rule says that when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Now let's solve example number 3. There are 0 friends and 3 beanbag chairs. How many friends will sit on each beanbag chair? What do you think in grade 3? If we have 0 friends in all and 3 beanbag chairs, how many friends will sit on each beanbag chair? Are there friends to draw? Of course, no. So 0 divided by 3 equals 0. There will be 0 friends on each beanbag. So the third rule in this lesson is when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. So interesting. So simply 0 divided any number like 7, 3, 10, 11, 12, 1000, 1 million, 1 billion always equals to 0. Let's solve example number 4. There are 3 friends and 0 beanbag chairs. How many friends will sit on each beanbag chair? What? There are 0 beanbag chair, and the question is, how many friends will sit on each beanbag chair? How is this? Can we find 3 divided by 0? Of course, no. We cannot divide any number by nothing. So the quotient of 3 divided by 0 cannot be found. The fourth rule in this lesson is it's impossible to divide a number by 0. So any number divided by 0 cannot be found. Now let's solve question number 1. Draw models to find each quotient. 6 divided by 1 equals what grade 3? If you have 6 apples and 1 person, how many apples will this person get? Yes, of course, he will get 6. Or simply, we can use the rule that we know in this lesson. Any number divided by 1 equals that number. So 6 divided by 1 equals 6. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. If there are 4 apples and 4 persons, how many apples will each person get? Yes, each person will get 1 apple. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Draw your own model in this space, grade 3. Now it's your turn in grade 3, so please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next question, you can check your answers here. In these questions, you can write your own examples. The same for the next page, you can check your answers here. The next 2 pages are your homework grade 3, so please try to solve them by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. And here you can check exercises in fluency practice, page number 415 and page number 416. And of course, you can check your answers for my review, page number 417 and page number 418. And the last page is page number 419.